Hey guys, what's up? Spencer here. So, it's like 3 days till Christmas, and I'm still feeling pretty festive. I know I just did the Jingle Bells video, but I'm gonna do a Deck the Halls video and combine it with the Jingle Bells, and then do the explanations at the end because I just feel like it. I'm really feeling the Christmas spirit this year. So, let's start with Deck the Halls, see if I still know that one. Okay, so I'm actually really impressed. That one came back to me super easily. Now, Jingle Bells, I'm only recently learning, so it's hard for me to memorize it, but I'm gonna give it a go too, just to see. Honestly, I was happy with how both of those turned out. I did practice them a little because I was rusty, but it just came to me like I got it memorized easy. That's never happened before. Yeah, so happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, and thanks for watching. And remember, music should be an adventure.